Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, just pulled up to Savannah skate park, but before I go in there, I just want to talk a little bit about something I've been thinking about after speaking at for a skate club the other day. It's my first time like really public speaking. I've done live Q&As and stuff like that, but you know, straight up giving a talk is a different kind of experience. You don't have that like banter to go back and forth on. And I don't know, it just occurred to me how far I've come in this whole journey and how pivotal sobriety was to that growth. Because I don't know, when I first quit drinking, I cursed every single sentence. I don't know, I mumbled, I talked lower, the way I carried myself, everything was different. And getting sober was the start of that. And that's what forced me to realize all these things. So, when you're drinking, it's kind of like not in the forefront, and it's easy to just, it's almost like this natural occurrence. You take it away and you got nowhere to hide. It's like stuff's gonna start coming out. And even at year 8, which I'm at right now, things still keep uncovering. But I just want to talk about back in the beginning, because that was like, that was very painful of a shift, and it was tough, to do. So my first mission, right when I quit, was to become a server. I thought, all right, you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to do skateboarding, it's fun. To help with that, you should probably get better at speaking. So I thought, all right, I could skate, maybe I'll travel someday and I could just pick up and be a server anywhere. But I thought if I was a server, forcing myself to just talk to people, be in public all the time, and getting better at speaking and just more comfortable in general. So that was the route, and I got that job at Swell Taco. It's a taco place near my house in Long Island, and I started as, I was like 28, I think, and I started as just packing tacos in the box in the back, minimum wage, then worked my way up to the to-go station, and then to a server, and I just kept, building on it, and I probably could have grown in a faster way, but that's all I knew at the time. So I just did with, what I had. And, it was a slow journey climbing, but it was definitely necessary. And it's helped me in so many ways. So it's the combination of that and YouTube. Because YouTube, every day, if you do it every day, you're recording yourself all the time. So you're just looking every single glaring mistake, when you're ums and ahs and and everything, you're stuttering. I don't finish sentences sometimes. So seeing all those things over and over and over, it just sharpens your sword and you just keep improving. And I didn't even realize it, it's a byproduct. I want to make a video. So I'm just, giving information out or recording what I'm doing. So I'm not literally training and practicing necessarily to get better at speaking. It just kind of happens. But as I keep progressing down this road, I'm realizing how much of a tool it is to be able to communicate better. And some of the gigs I'm starting to get require me to speak better. So now I almost want to put in the work and really practice, and I'm more conscious of it as I'm recording now and going forward. But that experience at the school the other day where I was speaking, watching back the footage, I almost didn't want to watch it at first. I was like, I know I could have done better. And then you watch it and, it is what it is. You just fight through it and write down or think about how you can improve on it, and that's it. It's just, you rip off the Band-Aid, and just like learning a trick, right? You just keep trying it until you get closer and closer and closer and better. So, but with tricks, that's felt natural. It's something I could just attack and not think about. Speaking, so unnatural for me, but that's why I feel like it's important to focus on all these years and put myself in these uncomfortable situations just to keep compounding on it, and eventually, just keep disintegrating it. And that's kind of what has happened. Obviously, I'm not where I'd like to be, looking back now 8 years, the amount of growth is is crazy. And another thing that YouTube helped me to do, kind of coincides with like the cursing side of things, was the quitting smoking. Because I started to realize like I'm going to be influencing people, like I'm putting myself out there. And so if I'm just, that's what kids are going to be copying, you know? So it really made me reflect on myself and my behaviors and the things I'm doing. So YouTube as a whole has been, you know, very reflective and taught me a lot about myself. And yeah, as I'm starting the daily vlog again, I'm reminded of all these lessons and, you know, the public speaking too. It's just like these uncomfortable things I just keep continuing to work on. But yeah, I love the daily vlogs. Really brings like, you know, makes me push my limits nonstop. But yeah, I'm at this park here in Savannah. Yeah, probably not gonna do too much skating today because I'm gonna try to get to Florida and start that whole thing. So yeah, let's do some skating. Completely forgot it was Sunday.
Bro, come here, dude. Come here. No. Caruso, right?
Nice to meet you, man.
So good to meet you, dude. I watch all your shit, dude.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I'm Shane.
Nice to meet you, Chad.
Dude, it's so good to meet you, dude.
Oh, you too.
Holy shit.
Dude,
What's up, man? I thought when you rolled up, I was like, no, that
Oh,
can't
really?
keep
For real, dude.
Nice to meet you, Chad. How's it going?
We gotta get Brian to
I
let us
like
skate.
shit.
Do you know the chicken ramp? We gotta go
No.
skate mini, dude.
Chicken ramp?
Yeah, it's so
Let's do it.
good. We
I gotta.
send a picture.
Yeah.
We like it's serious today.
Uh-oh.
There's such
I'm
a good
down.
ramp in
Yeah?
town, dude.
Oh, please. I have no spots lined up.
Dude,
so that'd
there's
be awesome.
such a good ramp. If it
Well,
doesn't
you
work
found
out,
the right two people.
hey, if it doesn't work out, we should go skate. Have you skated the Bluffton ramp?
No?
It's a mellow mini ramp out in
Okay.
Bluffton. It's like 45-minute drive, but
South?
like no north.
Oh, north?
It's in
Okay.
South Carolina.
Okay.
But it's close enough, dude.
Okay.
And I want to skate mini with you
Yeah,
so
dude.
bad, dude. I'm so excited.
That's
Stop,
amazing.
dude.
Hell yeah.
I'm 37 years old.
Are you?
I've been sober for 14 months.
Oh, really?
And I
Congrats.
fucking love you, dude.
That's
you
amazing.
were a part of my real journey.
That's
Like,
incredible.
I'll cry if I talk about it.
No, that's amazing. I love hearing it. Thank you for sharing.
Oh my god, dude.
That's awesome.
Is this slide? Hold on.
Yep.
Okay, well wait. I gotta get selfies. I
Yeah,
gotta
we'll
tell
do
my-
everything.
Dude.
Yeah.
I seriously, I was in Korea
Yeah.
for the last year. I got back in October.
Okay.
And like for the first time in my life was like, I'm fucked, dude. Like I was on this like benders every weekend. I couldn't stop myself.
Yeah.
And I went to like an inpatient thing.
Yeah.
And then like I was just home in like an apartment in Korea. I'm just like watching YouTube, and I was just watching you every day. And like you started talking about sobriety, and it was like, fuck, this is what I need
That's amazing.
at the like perfect time, dude. I'm sorry, do I gotta pay you?
For what?
This picture, dude.
Nah.
I'll let you have a shot, Dan.
Oh, thank you.
There's Shane's got a bunch of shit in the back here.
Dude, I got a bunch of
Nice.
shit everywhere.
That's the way I like it.
It smells like Publix chicken in here.
It does. You got
It's
any extra?
Parker's, bro.
Parker, oh, even better. Why? So how did you land in Savannah of all fucking places?
I don't know. It's just
Dude,
kind of
my
on the way
man's, my
south.
man's a nomad.
Yeah, that's it.
I know he gets around a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean,
So wait, that's awesome. Tell me about the sobriety after
Oh,
what? Like,
yeah.
how long did it take to change after?
I mean, I've been an alcoholic since I was a kid.
Yeah.
Drinking was always.
guitar from Buster.
Yeah, that's fine. Drinking was like a part of my life, my whole life.
Yeah.
And then I joined the army because I had kids
Mhm.
and needed to support my family and stuff.
Yeah.
And then like some deployments, I would get back from deployment, and it's like I gotta catch up on drinking, dude. I'd been in Iraq for a year.
Yep.
And then I had like some hard deployments where you lose friends, whatever, like see whatever, and I got back and it was like, let me drown everything, and I drank every day until it was like a physical dependency, a mental, like psychological addiction as well. You know, it's like I had to have it every day.
I can vouch for that. Shane we used to go on sessions. And,
I mean, before I went to Korea, I was drinking at the chicken ramp every session.
Oh, really?
And just getting fucked up and getting hurt too. But anyways, I was in Korea and I was going on these benders, waking up in random apartments, like. And it's interesting because it's like I still love that. I still love like the things you're doing. That's kind of what I was doing in Korea. Yeah. With drinking, and I loved it. Right. Give me directions, Bo.
Keep going straight.
Go left after Parker's?
Go left all the way to Skidaway.
Okay. But yeah, like it was like an adventure, but I was doing it every day, and just waking up, random girls, random apartments, like where's my phone, what happened last night, kind of shit. And I was getting back to my room, and I was just like, literally crying, like I'm never doing this shit again. It's too like I got kids back home. And when I was here, I was just like disappearing to the garage to drink, or like cleaning my truck and drinking, or going skating with this fucker. But I was like, it's because I hated myself and I hated my life and I hated all the shit that was in my mind or whatever. And anyways, I was out there. I got into some trouble out there drinking. And they brought me in and they're like, what's going on? And I'm like, I have a fucking problem. Like, it's serious and I need help. And they were like, okay, like, what do you need? The army, which I was surprised at the level of support. Like, I did a 5-week outpatient rehab. I went to a 6-week inpatient PTSD program. And it changed my life. I got sober. I got involved in AA. I still go. I went to a meeting last night. And like I said, I watched a shit ton of your content, and you like already just for the skateboarding, because like I'm old now and mini ramp is like what I love. Because
easier
like,
on the bones.
I grew up jumping downstairs, and like I really thought that was it. It's like I was on a mission for handrails every day.
I think even when you first moved here, you were still kind of
when I got here, it was like we were still hitting rails and stuff, and I would just get so broken. And then I started skating the chicken ramp, and it was like, I don't want to go skate anywhere else because it's painful. But anyways, I got sobered up, and just like I started playing music a little bit. I started like your time, right? Like you have so much more time.
Yeah, that's the best part. All that empty space gets filled
and all
in.
that empty space is so you get to be so deliberate, right? And like that translates to everything. Like my parenting, how do I build her confidence? Right. How do I help her love herself? How do I show her that she's amazing? Like
and that's honestly the best way to help too, is being that way yourself. Like you're what I mean, clear and focused as an example.
There's a weird thing that people don't like really latch onto when you tell them, is like sobriety is the most important thing in my life. And it's like, well, what about your kids? Like, no. It's like the most important thing in my life is that I take care of me, because if I don't, I can't help anybody. So how long have you been like doing this?
Well, I've been sober about 8 years. And I started YouTube when I got sober. I was like, I need something exciting to switch. Like you were saying, it's so similar. That adventure. So it's like, all right, I just made it my adventure.
Right.
It's
like
exciting.
Parties.
Like, oh, this is nerve-wracking. I'm talking in front of people, or whatever.
Did you ever go through a thing like when you first started YouTube where you like, because I've considered doing some YouTube stuff, but it's like you like hate the way you look or sound on camera, like, because that's my biggest thing to get over. Is like, oh man, I hate the way that I sound, because then you're going back and editing your own content, and it's like I have to listen to my stupid ass voice,
you're
like saying the same shit.
You guys aren't gonna believe, I literally was just talking about this like 5 minutes ago in the video.
Oh really?
But because it's every person goes through it. I'm pretty sure every person who's ever made content, no one likes the sound of their own voice. At all.
Oh yeah.
I mean, nobody has self-recorded voicemails anymore.
I know.
But it's like a growing pain that you avoid, because like you were saying, it's kind of awkward, and then you keep doing it, you're editing it, and you just, I got better at talking. I stopped cursing. I stopped. I still talk, not perfectly, but I've definitely improved. Hell yeah. Let's do it. So awesome.
What's up?
What's up?
Sorry to. I was in my lounge.
How's it going?
Lounge here.
Sorry to
I was
burst
trying
in
to
on
hold you. What's up, man? Yeah.
Thanks for having me. I'm
Yeah,
Chad.
yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Chad.
How's it going?
Yeah, nice to see you.
How are
man.
you?
You do look familiar.
So you
too.
do watch YouTube skateboarding.
Yeah.
Oh, I appreciate you letting me come over
Yeah,
and
of
skate
course.
too, man.
No, definitely. I got a lot out of you. I think you did a couple tutorials that I was like, you really demystified a lot of stuff, you know.
Thank you.
So that's rad that you're coming through. So you're traveling just on tour?
Yeah, I came out with a book about my skate across America. And
Oh,
I'm
no
just
way.
doing- yeah, so I'm just trying to
I'm
go
piecing
around
now.
promote it.
Yeah,
and-
piecing it all together. You're that guy.
Yeah.
See, I knew you from even before that.
Yeah, okay, the
Dang.
OG stuff.
Yeah, the OG stuff.
You know what? I wish the Forrest Gump bench was actually downtown.
Yeah.
It would be great to get a picture of you on the Forrest Gump
Oh,
bench.
wait, that's here.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't
Yeah.
realize that.
But
Wow.
the square obviously is there, but there's no
Yeah.
bench there, is there?
Yeah. No,
Like-
there's no picture.
Yeah,
It would be
I gotta look
like
for it,
the
though.
skateboarding
Yeah.
Forrest Gump right here.
Yeah. That's funny.
You gotta look out for it, bro.
No.
Yo. Wow. Second drop.
There it is.
Yo.
That was better. Had to clean it up.
Yeah. That was amazing. Wow.
Woo! Woo!
I'm ruining every clip.
Woo!
That was a good one. You alright?
Yeah.
That one was perfect.
That was the one right there. One more. I gotta get a better one. Wow, that was awesome.
I've done that one in a minute.
Do I
But
get
yeah.
a clip in there?
Huh?
I got a clip of you?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a kick turn is all I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah.
I mean, I couldn't have scripted that day to gone any better. That was insane. I mean, the exact points I was talking about in the beginning of the video, I meet someone who just shares their story and it's almost identical. Yeah, I'm just really grateful that he was willing to share all that stuff and just be really honest. And also that they introduced me to the chicken wing ramp because there were kids all over that skate park, so I probably wasn't going to get too much skating in. So yeah, just an overall great day, and I'm going to head to Jacksonville now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.